Okay, this is the makings of the swinging, or not swinging, burning lunging witch prop this year that I'm going to be making. My son and I are making it. I'm going to get some chicken wire and I'm going to wrap this around the outside edge of this, and with some spray foam and some red and orange lights.
It's going to be awesome.
What I'm thinking about doing is on this is getting a aluminum sleeve that will go down, you know, over this, plus a little ways up on that post, so I can just slip it in and out and put a carriage bolt through here that comes out to the other side. That way this thing I can kind of store it a little easier by taking that post off, and then I'll have just this bottom section by itself. Okay, I'm going to wrap this in rabbit wire, and then use some spray foam and put the lights underneath. That's what it looks like so far. I'm going to put this in the base of the burning witch for simulated smoke and stuff. I want to see if this is going to be too many holes or too less or whatever. Yeah, I'm going to see what's going to happen. I'm keeping it on there. I'm going to see what happens.
Alright, bomb test number 1. Fail. It didn't actually. It's coming out.
Well, it's been out in the weather, so I want to try to blow it out.
Sorry, guys. Go.
Alright.
Go. It's not exactly going in it. This was my idea.
Yes, it was. It's a little windy out here today too, so. Did it stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to heat up again.
Well,
it's hot, but it's still got to heat up a lot longer.
Yeah. Success.
Yes, much better than when I had the tea there. I think it was hitting it and then back, you know, coming out straight. So,
yeah.
And then my son came up with this idea, which seems to work much better once the pipes get full of fog or smoke. So I think I'm going to go with his idea. I just need to lengthen this pipe here so it'll come out on the outside of the fire. So see if it's ready again.
Alright.
Let's give it one more try. Oh, there we go. Okay, you can see it coming around. Oh yeah, I think that'll work. Awesome. And this is just a little 400 Chauvet Hurricane, so I think that's going to be plenty.